Hey cooks, welcome to Gigi's Recipes. My name's Amanda Blaylock, and Gigi was my great-grandma. She was also a registered dietitian who wrote her own cookbooks. And in these videos, we explore her cookbooks and try a new recipe each week. Today we're going to be making jalapeno cornbread. This is a recipe from Gigi's cookbook, Diabetes Control Cookery. This cornbread comes out more like a corn souffle, which is delicious, and it's a fast, easy recipe that'll go with almost any dinner. Let's get started. Start by beating 3 eggs in a large bowl. Blend in some skim milk, add in your corn muffin mix, give it a little stir, then add your cheese, corn, onion, oil, sugar, and baking powder. Then drain, rinse, and mix in your peppers. Give it a whisk until the whole thing is smooth. Pour the whole concoction into a greased 13 by 9 by 2 inch baking pan. Then you'll pop it in the oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. You'll know the cornbread's done when it's a little bit golden on top. Gigi's recipe says to cut it into 24 squares, but I cut my pieces a little bigger. This is a fast, easy side with a great flavor that'll turn this into one of your favorite side dishes. I hope you all liked the jalapeno cornbread. If you did, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.